Dakatong bon pen ipat ba ek jigru spa kariti dostor ki jela ka than chtai lammi ngi jongkari ki samla pulie jong ka 5th semester media technologies haringkat ka jingtrai lang ka English department jong ka St Anthony's College Shillong nakabenta ka international conference la penlong ka exhibition Hawalaston Annex haka arpudre tarik bat arpunyo tarik nailor arjar pusau yakani ka exhibition labu dak phang pedang inat riti ka pemot ka riti dostor tenrai Kekentian inat kabamut ke culture, hakaktian Manipur, karba kekentian riti, kabamut tenrai, hakaktian Khasi. Lapan longi kini ke exhibition, ban pen perkat jeliu yala ka jong ke riti dostor bat ban penek pensa ya ka. Da kini ke exhibition la yoi ya ka sab beper jong ki samla, ki bela penwan dore ki jing draw bat ki jing shna baharukom. Da ke jing lang ki kena haringkat ke jing lam nanti Dr. Itawanda Saibon, lala ban pen longi kini ke exhibition ke bajab. Hakaski penkot ikan exhibition inat riti, lasaki ek jingwan yasem menta Kyrwoh pau kmat kibala ai mensim yaki samla ka college, banang yai wat banya bat banang penem yakariti ke dostor. La yoro ik jing batai bakam banya halor ke jingmot ki Kyrwoh usim Khasi haki por hendai, ke jingdon ki Khasi ki Shong basa Mizoram, ki maus ieng jong ki bala klat no, ke jinglong kerpang ki Riewlum naga da ke jing thok khana poriskam bat ki wei.
Te uni Kyrwoh kuba ubangi ngile hang ni dai. Ni Kyrwoh udak mensyua udak kum ke kalau kum kadak ki mendai mentai mensyua ki bapa Kyrwoh ban khat hakapor bas kamtam bas dan ki ceremony em ki khat hang ni em pila ban i kani ke yang sat hang ni dai ke yang sat hang ni em usim jo kani yang sat em usnai ni upa snai ni Kyrwoh ma kini Kyrwoh em pasnai ni Kyrwoh tu ai haki breu kini Kyrwoh ti kini ki breu pada ki sapa ni Kyrwoh keleng ka Shong Mal Musyaam kalau Kyrwoh uni usof as a form of communication kan bat kibreo te nadu ang ta pada te kipa uni Kyrwoh hamalaki Shong hamalaki rat kibreo pada adalah ayok ni Kyrwoh kisutuk ba usim la pa ni Kyrwoh adalah pa na ada pa uni Kyrwoh pada kisali ai beng usim lingba uni Kyrwoh te uni Kyrwoh ro kira lang te ka belang ru kisa ai belang baik malakarat namadon ka kadeka kamram ba usim upah Kyrwoh kamut Kyrwoh upah syai syaka upah malakira kirat pada kiyo ini Kyrwoh te kira ini Kyrwoh berkumjuk kira ka belang syai yang sat te kata kadi kejemut jong Kyrwoh ndai ki mentai mencua ki syong ba udan shinot arnot lainot te kasong kasi syubu as an example no ngan ong na ip ba Kyrwoh ulong syubu da dai hakasi ka baningkong te ki tan ki udan ujing tan buat tan tang shinot hakasi ka ba don tan tan buat tan tang arnot tingling ba kumta ki beri sutuk nam ba ni Kyrwoh pada am ki sutuk kan ka dai hakano kasngi ka ba ki beri ka wan ka dai ka hakano kasngi ka ba ki kini kirat kini ki beri ka hapra ya uni Kyrwoh bat ka belang syaka yang sat jong sim
te kani ka yeng am ka dai it's actually located in like kumkani ka Bukishna it's from Vairengte and Vairengte kadeka it's a in Mizoram and like back in the 20th century kini Jaintia people they kidina po Bataw village okay and then ki migrated siya po Mizoram sa Vairengte and then like ki chatur mainly for ban rep tempo rep keba and then shate pada ki bream ki dan ying mau tang ba ki they live most of their life hapo ying bri because they live their living through this the kumta kan kani ka ying ka shipin like how it's actually built there like we have a community of Jaintia people hapo Mizoram and this shows like kumta like people like they don't really know about that Jaintia people like kidan hapo Mizoram and all they kata you just want to tell people like about the of Jaintia people in Mizoram
kini ki maushi kide Khasi kadeka type of Khasi folklore yakini ki maushi kini ki balong pure Khasi ki pendan kam kumni tengin pendan kam shu yakini kini ki maushi kide ki lada ubre ula khlat ki family members lani ki relatives kum tu ya ka bones jongki kinsa bat kinsa thap ha po ukhiu bat kinsa thap ha uni maushi chapo ya uni maushi la shna kum ka sunduk jenta kum tu kisna ha ka rukom badon bat ki jingkhang dan nang tu kinsa pli hapor ba ya ka maushi ya ki shiing bala shim nang tu bri bala khlat no ki sa thap hapo ukhiu bat kinsa thap hapo maushi.
So this art piece is inspired by Mihovio and Morusa's story This is a Naga Angami folklore. So me and my friend Hafi made this. Nagas are known for their head hunting. So like during those times, there was a warrior named Morusa was like very great, like for all the heads he had collected. So there was a girl named Mihovyu who was like wanted by all the people in the village. Like every guy wanted to marry her, but then she heard from her friends that Morusa might send proposal to marry her, and that's the reason like she kept on rejecting all the other proposals. So later on, the uncle of Morusa, he decided to like since it was his age for marriage, they wanted to send like proposals. So they sent a proposal to Mihovyu's family, and then the family accepted it, and they were about to get married. But during those times, like arranged marriage, you are not allowed to see each other's face. So they didn't meet, and then the wedding was taking quite some time. Morusa couldn't wait for the wedding, so he wanted to give something like to impress the girl. So he went out for searching an enemy, like to behead the enemy. But then like when he went out, he couldn't find any enemy, so he entered like a different village in order to like find a head. And then he saw a beautiful girl weaving. At first he was a bit hesitant to behead her because she was too beautiful, but then he beheaded. And then like later on he got the news that Mihovyu, the soon-to-be fiancé, was killed. And then they later on, when they connected the dots, they found out that the Morusa had beheaded Mihovyu. So yeah, this is the head of the girl, like the one who was beheaded, like by the own fiancé.
We call it in our dialect as my tribe is Ao, so we call it Archu, or in English we call it Morung. It's a male dormitory where in the olden days, like youths, especially the young men, we stay here to preparing for the war and stuff, and learning different stuffs about the life, and then fighting, getting knowledge about war training and stuff. So it's just about that. Yeah. These are the works of our seniors. They did it when they were in the second semester. So they had to make story of their own culture and as their assignment. So it's about that. And this we call it sungkong, or the Nagalog drum. This is mainly kept in the village, where they play this when a village invades their village, so that as a warning signal, or if a village catches on fire. So they play this during those times. And this is made out of a single log. And people, they carve it and then they bring it from the forest.
habatin pej bahaki kishap kashap plus F
Ka plus F?
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet namar kata habathiru atau khaw kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka Bataw bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing ma lani ka rukom shed yaki
balehi bana kita
kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya